So the other day I received this, which is a power supply, a linear power supply. Now the thing that I like to this power supply is that it's a 5 amps power supply, and it has like a system with relays that change from change on a transformer different secondary. So if you are low in voltage, it will not charge the rest of the current and the voltage on the transistor. And I kind of like it and how it is, and it was only $15, I think $15 or 14 euros, something like that. Now I had one that I designed myself, but the drawback of that, well, it's huge under load, so I need a more stable one, and I brought this one. Now when I looked at the previous, when I bought this this power supply from the supplier, it does not really give me a lot of information. They just give you this, and they give you the electric scheme, but they don't really give you any kind of information. I mean, you have like 4 or 6 spots like this. I don't know what to do, what each one of these does. So I suppose I'm just going to run according to this legend here, and just start and touching it and see what's happening. Now I have a bunch of wires here. I don't know if it's complete because I didn't really look it before. I hope so, but I don't know. It's probably complete. They will not send me one of these without all the pieces. Well, this is it's a pretty big project for me because I don't really have time for this, but I really wanted this in my power supply, so I'll probably do this on the next few days and document it how I do it, so on the road. Anyway, the rules of this is, well, solder first the smaller components as resistance, for example. After that, the slightly bigger components, that these capacitors, I think they are. After that, the next components as at size, and until you put these big components that the logic in that is that if you put this first, you will have a hard time putting the smallest components after. Now I really don't know how this will turn out, because I don't find any kind of video that showed me how this works, or what I have to do for this to work at the first. So I hope I will manage that in this video. Anyway, I'm gonna put a link in the description where I brought from, where I bought this from, so you can take a look there and make your own opinion about it.